Welcome friends.
Today we discuss zero-lag trend signals by AlgoAlpha
For stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto.
Search and add Apply zero-lag trend signals indicator by AlgoAlpha on chart. Symbol gold time frame 5 minutes. Zero lag EMA logic with volatility bands gives trend reversal and retracement signals. Trend reversal. Retracement entry signals need to uncheck. Multiple time frame trend. Sell means trend down, only look for sell trade.
First signal, sell. Entry below low of signal candle SL above last moving average line, target 1-to-1 risk reward. Watch full video to know entry, SL and target. First win.
Buy means trend up, only look for buy trades.
Buy signal. Entry above high of signal candle SL below last moving average line, target 1-to-1 risk reward. Second win.
SL hit. Retest entry.
Third win.
Retest entry.
Fourth win.
Indicator can be used for scalping, intraday, short-term or long-term in any market like stocks, index commodities, forex or cryptocurrency.
Can add some other indicators or price action to get more accurate profitable trade setup.
Like and subscribe us to get more trading strategy or techniques to improve your trading style. Trading is not rich quick scheme, you need to keep learn and try different things to improve your trading skills.
Fifth win.
Sell signal need to enter for sell trade.
Sixth win.
In this video we test this indicator for scalping, you can use for day trading, swing trading, long-term via increase the candlestick time frame.
Seventh win. Eighth win.
SL hit.
Ninth win.
Accuracy more than 80%. Try this indicator on different time frame on different symbols as per your trading style.
Like and subscribe us. Follow Anytime Money Learn to earn on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Android. Contact on Telegram at TradingWinnerRobot.